can't claim the interest of 10% per annum.
10%, yeah, he won't get the interest of 10%.
Yeah.
He'll have
How
to
much will he get?
6%.
6%.
6%, yeah. Have you all understood? Rohit, are you clear with it?
Yes, ma'am.
Dia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question here.
Ma'am, he will get equal share in profits
Yeah.
because
Okay.
it's not about the capital, what they contribute. When there is a profit or loss, they get it equally.
Since there's no
Okay.
partnership deed.
Yeah, there's no partnership deed.
Rizal,
Yes, ma'am.
are they correct? They said that profit will be shared equally. Mohan has contributed only 20,000 as capital, and Shyam has contributed more than the double of his share. So will the profit be shared equally?
Yes, ma'am. Profit and losses are to be shared equally.
Okay, correct. If there is no deed, then profit and losses will be shared equally. Soha, Shifna, it was correct. Next one. Anish, can you answer this question?
Ma'am, is it yes? Because since
Is it an answer or a question?
it's it's an answer.
So what is your answer? Yes or no?
Yes.
What made you say yes? Was it just that
When they see like a powerful, like strong woman that's rising,
Mhm.
they always have to say something to criticize her to put her down.
But that's the woman's fault, yeah. Because you need to adapt to the change and you need to stand on your toes. If you're being
Dude,
like,
that's there, but then constantly when every
Like even now, most people they cannot, like most ladies, they're still not allowed to do what they want. They're still not allowed to go out and face their dreams. They don't. People think they still don't have the right. Like it's starting to be there. Like even in the government or like even in any government institutions or anything, there are special consideration for like. There should be a woman, like even in the parliament also it's like that. So something like that.
How can
Parents choose the career of the children? Children might want different things, parents might want different things for the children, but ultimately it's the child who's going to study and going to do.
But
So, like, they can help us, they can guide us with what they are saying, and we can choose the career option that they're providing.
tell please.
So, for example, if you take technology and like if you watch TV, like most of the time, there are many things which come on the TV, so it can like affect our mind differently. So we'll engage into many bad habits eventually.
Okay, so it motivates you to adopt bad habits. Okay.
Like people can influence teens like to start smoking and stuff. So that cannot be entirely true, because if the teen actually knows like what is right and what is wrong, if he was like taught properly by the parents, then he will know like what to do exactly.
Anything which is being watched social media, not games. You have video calling, how much, and we have internet as well. How many of us use it as in the right way? We can. It's easy to say that we have this, we have that, but how many of us use it in the right way?
Right way means?
How much
right
time
way in
do
the
you
sense
devote
like we're not getting into bad things and like many things like that.
How much time do you devote to looking after your career? Like young people, what is the percentage? How many hours or how many minutes a day do you spend on researching on your career and on GPA and everything? Like, you don't do anything. It's easy to say that you don't do anything.
the current situation of coronavirus. You're not supposed to go anywhere outside, like maintain social distancing and stuff. So if teens talk about this, and celebs talk about this, and they like tell people about this, teens that talk to their celebs will actually start following it. Also, good friends can help the teens stay away from bad habits and bad things.
Okay, restricting.
Guide them to the right way.
That I wrote like a statement saying that teenagers nowadays get influenced by somebody in any manner is a cliché. Teenagers are trying to understand both the forms of various aspects in life, like education, schools, etc. Due to increase in education standard and means of education to enhance the mental capabilities, polish a thought process which clearly help a teenager defining or setting up his or her goals and ways to achieve the desired goals. Teenagers are sensible enough to understand who is influencing them towards a bad company or a good company.
Okay. Then.
Yeah, and then we discuss the types of functions.
Which are the types of functions?
The one, many one, and then into and onto. Yeah, that's it.
So one function. Sriya, what is a one function?
So when every element has one distinct image, it will be 1.
That is the definition.
And if it has many, then it'll be many 1. So if x is a function of y, then we'll get. Can I draw it though? Like maybe I'll be able to explain better.
Yes. You tell.
Okay, yeah. So if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have A, B, C, D, one will have A, 2 will have B, and each one will have one distinct image, then that will be 1.
That is, different elements will have different images.
Yeah.
Just to check whether the function is bijective or not. So after checking for 1, if it is not 1, you can write directly bijective. It is not bijective. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I asked because I had to do all that. That's why I gave this. Sometimes they will give only check whether it is a bijective or not. So if it is not 1, then itself we can write it. It is not a bijective since it is not 1. If it's not 1. Okay. No need to think about the surjectivity. Okay.
Okay. So it's not necessary to show that it's onto. I mean, it's not onto.
But if the question is only check whether it is a bijective or not.
No, but over here they're asking for 1 and onto and then bijective.
Bijective. So you have to do both, all.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Clear that much?
Yes, sir.
Talking about clinical psychology. So first we'll start by knowing what clinical psychology is. Clinical psychology is a field of psychology which is concerned with understanding, evaluating, elevating, and preventing mental and emotional disorders such as anxiety, depression, eating disorder, and chronic substance abuse. So basically, first, what comes in clinical psychology is first of all understanding a patient or a person, what the person is going through, understanding the disorder, then evaluating it and elevating and preventing it. Elevating means making it less severe, and elevating and preventing the mental disorder. So it aims at improving everyday functioning by helping people solve problems in daily living and cope more effectively with challenging situations. So I took this from the textbook. Basically, it says that it helps the people adapt more easily, helps them by solving their daily problems, and helps them cope more effectively with the challenging situations in everyday life. Now, clinical psychology is also a science that generates research efforts to discover and validate information about what people are like and why they behave as they do. It means that basically it helps in getting more information about different behaviors of different people, why they behave like that. Yeah, ma'am, next slide.
Okay.
Now we're going to be talking about a clinical psychologist. So a clinical psychologist administers and interprets cognitive and personality tests, diagnoses mental illnesses, creates treatment plans, and conducts psychotherapy. Psychotherapy uses talking instead of medical or physical treatments. So I forgot to add this, but the difference between a clinical psychologist and a psychiatrist will be that a clinical psychologist uses methods like psychotherapy, which includes more talking and no physical or medical treatments, which means that a clinical psychologist cannot give any medication, whereas a psychiatrist can use physical treatments and can give medications. A clinical psychologist has a degree in psychology, which includes intensive training in treating people with psychological disorders. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Amna. Well done.
The maximum limit to loans and advances that can be made, which the commercial banks can't exceed. So the RBI fixes ceiling maximum for how much loan the banks can give. So in times of inflation, the credit rationing is decreased.
Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Credit rationing is decreased.
Yeah, no, increased.
Okay, what does that refer to? Credit rationing increased means in simpler terms. Can you just explain?
More credit is allowed.
In times of inflation?
No, like, I mean, they don't grant more loans.
Correct.
Like, yeah.
Credit rationing is increased. That means a maximum limit is being put that more than this they cannot lend.
No.
Okay, and in times of deflation?
The credit rationing is decreased, which means they can allow more loans.
Okay, so for these instruments, we can use the term liberal. Yes, so credit rationing is a little liberal. So at that during deflationary situations, when credit rationing is liberal, commercial banks can lend more loans and advances. Okay, even RBI can lend more loans to the commercial banks. True. Okay, very correct. Are there